And these guys here, they looks like they balance rocks. You have to take a close look at some of these to see look how amazing they are. You know, these little rocks balance some other rocks, and some of them just by tiny little parts. Look at that. And then there's one here on a beer bottle.
How'd they do that?
There they have a beer bottle. And over here, this one we got several rocks. There's a big one. And another one. And a little tiny one on the top. Here you can see a guy trying to do one right now. So he's trying to balance this rock here. Alright, well I don't know how long it's going to take him. He's having a conversation, so, oh, here it goes. Watch him try to do one or two before and they drop them, so we got to get this just right. I don't know how long it's going to take him to do this. Oh, well, I'm not going to hold this camera all day, so I'm going to turn this off.